Welcome to the Hernia Center in Southern California. We are dedicated to hernia repair, and it's something we really pride ourselves on. The Hernia Center has actually been around for 25 years, but this location, which we're very proud of, is in the heart of Pasadena, just a few blocks away from Huntington Hospital. In our facility, we have all the equipment and all the tools to perform even the most state-of-the-art hernia repair. Our staff is dedicated, and what they do for you is they make you feel like family here. Because it's not just having good results, it's about feeling good after your hernia surgery. That's something we provide here.